Okay, these are the household objects, the things you're going to use to do your chores. The first one is un balai, une pelle à poussière. Two accents there. Pelle means shovel and poussière means dust, which makes sense. It's a dust shovel or a dustpan. Un aspirateur is the object, vacuum. Une poubelle, trash can. Le lave-vaisselle, this one is an exception. It ends with an E, but you need to know that it is masculine. La machine à laver. So remember that vaisselle is dishes. So this is the wash dish. And this is the machine of washing machine for clothes. Le séchoir. Up and away says A, so it's not séchoir, it's séchoir. La chiffon. O-N endings tend to be feminine, like maison is feminine, chiffon is feminine. Une éponge, remember the accent. Une tondeuse, you can see the verb tondre, it's to cut. So tondeuse is a cutter. Une pelle, again shovel, we've seen that in pelle à poussière. Un râteau. La vaisselle, again, always singular. You're talking about dishes, but it's considered a unit. La lessive, L for lessive and L for laundry.